Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This tutorial I will explain how we can create ball joints in FreeCAD. Ball joints has two parts. One is holder and second is ball. So first we will start from holder. I will open FreeCAD. Now I will go to part workbench. Part workbench. First I will create holder. For creating holders I will take a sphere and the diameter of the sphere will be I think 10 mm. Now I will take box and I will double click on it and will change the height 40, length 20, width 20. Okay, I will go to the top view, right click on the cube, transform. Now I will adjust. I think I need to increase the length and width of the cube. First double click on cube and change the value from 20 to 30. Again right click, transform. Now I will go to the front view by pressing 1 from the keyboard and then we'll adjust the place of the cube from where I want to make a cut. I think okay. Now I will make a cut at here. First I will click on the sphere because I want to keep this sphere. Then I will select the cube by pressing Ctrl. Now I will go to the part and Boolean cut. Now the sphere has been cut from a specific portion. Now I will make this hollow. I want to remove this face and give the thickness to the boundaries of the sphere. First I will click on this face, then thickness, and I will adjust the value for this thickness. I will keep it 2 mm. Okay. Now you can see that the inner part of the holder is empty now. Now I will create a sphere, the second part of the ball joint, a ball sphere. Now I will click again on sphere. Now first I will decrease the opacity of the holder so that I can see the sphere clearly. I will click on thickness, hue and transparency. I will keep it 50. Now the inner sphere is visible. I will click on the sphere and data. I will give it the radius to 8 mm. Okay, I will go to the top view, place accurately on this place. One thing you must keep in mind is that the diameter of this cut must be less than the maximum diameter of the sphere, otherwise this bar will not be held into the holder. The diameter of the inner wall I will keep it almost 9 mm. Now I will create another cylinder. I will click on it, right click, transform, and I will move to the upside. Okay. Now I will select this one and will select this one by holding Control key and go to the part Boolean Union. These two has been joined together. Now I want to make this part a little bit rounded. I will select this edge, will apply fillet, and I will increase the value to 3 mm. 3 mm. Okay. Now this has been rounded. Now I will create another cylinder at bottom side for the holder. I will select another cylinder, right click, transform, and to the bottom side. Now you can see that this cylinder is intersecting this holder. While changing the position of the cylinder must not cross the thickness of the holder. Otherwise, it will disturb the movement of the ball inside the holder. Now, I will click on this. If you want to make the cylinder thick, you can change the radius of the cylinder to 3 mm. This become thick. Now I will select this one and will select this one and will apply a Boolean operation union. Apply close. Now the union has been applied. Now I will select this edge and will apply fillet. Fillet, and I will give the value to 3. Okay. If I want to increase the height of the cylinder, first I will click on this one, click on the arrow, then click on this arrow, click on cylinder and increase the height. Let's suppose I make it 20. The height has been increased. If we want to change the height of this cylinder downside, we can do this in this way because we can add because we can give the height in negative value, and by giving the height in positive value the shape of the holder will be disturbed. If I will do 20, now you can see that the shape of the holder has been disturbed. How we can fix it? Control Z. First I will remove the fillet, then I will remove the pin, and then I will add the height of, then will increase the height of cylinder. Suppose 20. Right click, transform, I will move it to the third position. Now I will apply again. I will select it, then we'll select the holder by pressing Control and we'll click on Boolean. Apply, close. I will select this edge, I will apply fillet, 3 mm. Okay. Now the holder has been completed. Now I will click on this fillet, go to the part, convert to solid. Again, I will go to the fillet one. This is the holder part or to solid. Now, if you want to convert these two objects into STL file, then first select this solid, then select this solid by pressing Control, File, Export, Desktop, Ball Joint, STL, and file type must be STL. Save. We'll go to the desktop. This STL has been created here. I will double click on it. Now I will open it in Member Studio. Now our ball joint has been opened into the Member Studio. I will zoom it, create it. Our ball joint has been completed. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much.